Fatal fire. St. Elizabeth man believed burnt to death while clearing land to farm. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. A special welcome as well if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Also this evening, outgoing police commissioner optimistic about successor's performance and spending big. National Security Minister says billions budgeted to build and retrofit police stations in St. James this financial year. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.